Welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to turn off virus detection on Windows 11 in a quick and simple way so you can control your security settings when needed. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open Search on your computer. This is the fastest way to find system tools. Just click the search icon on the taskbar or press the Windows key and start typing. Step 2. Type virus and threat protection and open it. This section holds your built-in security controls and real-time scanning options. Step 3. Click Manage Settings. You will find it under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings area, where protection features can be adjusted. Step 4. Turn off real-time protection. This stops live scanning of files and apps, and Windows may show a warning because this feature normally guards your system continuously. Step 5. Turn off cloud-delivered protection. This disables cloud-based threat checks that enhance detection using online data sources. Method 2. Step 1. Open Search and type Run, then open Run. This tool lets you launch advanced system utilities directly with commands. Step 2. Type regedit and press Enter. This opens the Registry Editor where deep system settings are stored and controlled. Step 3. Click Yes on the permission prompt. This allows administrative access so changes can be applied. Step 4. Copy the path from the description box and paste it into the path section. This quickly takes you to the correct registry folder without manual browsing. Step 5. Right-click Windows Defender. This folder contains configuration values related to built-in protection. Step 6. Click New. This creates a new registry entry inside that folder. Step 7. Click DWORD 32-bit value. This is the correct value type used for on and off style system flags. Step 8. Type DisableAntiSpyware with exact capitalization and no spaces. The name must match perfectly or it will not work. Step 9. Right-click DisableAntiSpyware and click Modify. This opens the Value Editor box. Step 10. Change value data to 1. This number switches the setting to disabled mode. Step 11. Click OK. This saves the change to the registry. Step 12. Restart your computer. The restart applies the registry update and completes the process. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.